An interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, northern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Calumet, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northwestern Oklahoma City, El Reno, Yukon, Piedmont, Okarche, Calumet, Concho, and Richland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning.